this is Charlene. Let's find the slope of a line given 2 points. Okay, so most of you know or maybe have seen this formula. The difference of the y's divided by the difference of the x's. That's the way I say it. I think it's easier to remember if you use the word difference because the word difference means subtraction. That way you don't actually have to remember that it's y minus y. You just have to remember that it's the difference. And that should inform you that that means you subtract. Okay, so the difference of the y's over the difference of the x's. So we need to remember that this is an x and this is a y. This is an x and this is a y. So we are going to put the y's on top. And it doesn't really matter which one is y sub 1 and y sub 2. It just matters which direction you go. So we're going to go this direction. So I'm going to do the 4 and the 2 on top. So 4 minus 2 on top. And then I'm going to do my x's, also left to right. So I'm going to say negative 3 minus a negative 17. So does that make sense what I just did? I went left to right and left to right. So basically, these two x's and y's go together. The negative 3 and the 4, they go together. The negative, or the 2 and the negative 17, they go together. Does that make sense? These 2 points go from one x and y coordinate, and these 2 go from the other x and y coordinate. So that's the way that I remember that formula. I find that a lot of kids get really confused when they try to decide which one is sub 2 and which one is sub 1. If you already know that method, go for it and stick with what you know. But this is the way that I tend to look at it. Okay, so we are going to get started now. We are going to do this calculation right here. We are going to do 4 minus 2 on top, and 4 minus 2 on top is just 2. And negative 3 minus negative 17 really means negative 3 plus 17, because these two negatives right here and right here, a negative times a negative equals a positive. Same thing happens in English. Two negatives is a double negative and it cancels itself out even in English. So at this point now we're going to do 2 and we're going to finish the denominator. So negative 3 plus 17, which is the same thing as saying 17 minus 3. 17 minus 3 is 14, and then we can reduce that. 2 over 14 reduces to 1/7. So the slope of the line that passes through these 2 points is equal to 1/7. Hope that helps, and you have a good day and come back and see us soon. Thank you. Bye.